Hello everyone, in this part of the video I will give some differentiate questions and objectives for class 7 students from chapter number 4, that is weathering. Let us start with our first differentiate between endogenic force and exogenic force. In endogenic force, you will write endogenic forces or internal forces like compression, tension create a large variety of landforms on the Earth's crust. These forces are active inside the crust. Fold mountains, block mountains, and rift valleys are formed by such forces. In the exogenic force, you will write exogenic forces or external forces act on the surface of the earth, sculpting and modifying landforms created by the internal forces. These features are modified by two processes, weathering and erosion. Next, aggradation and degradation. So, in aggradation, you will write the depressions fill up and level of the earth's surface rises. This process of filling up of depressions on the earth's surface is known as aggradation. In degradation, you will write degradation is the process of lowering down of the earth's elevated landforms. It also involves removal of rocky materials from the surface of the earth. Next, differentiate between weathering and erosion. In weathering, you will write weathering is the process of disintegration or decomposition of rocks in their place of origin by natural forces of nature. In erosion, you will write erosion is the process by which the weathered material or debris is transported elsewhere by running water, wind, waves, and moving ice. Next, differentiate between oxidation and hydration. So, in oxidation, you will write oxidation is a form of chemical weathering that occurs when oxygen combines with another substance and creates compounds like oxides. When rocks, particularly those with iron in them, are exposed to air and water, the iron undergoes oxidation, which can weaken the rocks and make them crumble. In hydration, you will write hydration is a form of chemical weathering in which chemical bonds of the mineral are changed as it interacts with water. One instance of hydration occurs as the mineral anhydrite reacts with the groundwater. The water transforms anhydrite into gypsum, one of the most common minerals on earth. Next, sheet erosion and gully erosion. So, in sheet erosion, you will write when there is heavy rainfall, the top layer of soil over a vast area gets washed away. It is known as sheet erosion. And in gully erosion, you will write when rainwater in a region flows down the slopes, making deep, narrow furrows. It is called gully erosion. Next, we will do give one word answers. First, when the outer shells of rocks become loose and peel off from the main rock, it is called exfoliation. Next, when big blocks of rock disintegrate from the main rock along parallel joints or cracks, it is known as block disintegration. Next, chemical process that occurs when carbon dioxide from the atmosphere is absorbed by minerals present in rocks. Answer, carbonation. The chemical action of water with some minerals present in the rocks. Hydration. Next, simplest form of chemical weathering in which some minerals dissolve when rainwater falls. Answer is solution. So these are the remaining question answers from chapter number 4.